Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the sound output device on LG 43QNED80. So to do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then find sound out, and you can set it to TV speaker, Bluetooth device, and click on device list. Mobile device, if you have any connected, optical output device, HDMI device, Bluetooth here again, and optical out device. So just set it to any of those that are suited for you. I'm gonna leave it on TV speaker, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.